Welcome to 115 Beach Lane, Wainscott, New York, an extraordinary 2.5-acre estate nestled in one of the Hamptons' most coveted locations. This stunning 6-bedroom residence embodies luxury, privacy, and breathtaking design, offering the perfect retreat just steps from the ocean. As you step inside, you're greeted by soaring ceilings, expansive windows, and an open-concept living space bathed in natural light. The meticulously designed interiors seamlessly blend modern elegance with timeless Hamptons charm. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring top-of-the-line appliances, custom cabinetry, and an oversized island perfect for entertaining. The adjacent dining area opens up to a spacious patio, creating an effortless indoor-outdoor flow. With 6 generously sized bedrooms, including a lavish primary suite, this home offers unparalleled comfort. Each bedroom boasts serene views, spa-like ensuite bathrooms, and ample closet space, ensuring a private oasis for all. Step outside to discover resort-style living at its finest. The sprawling backyard features a sparkling pool, a sun-drenched terrace, and lush landscaping, ideal for entertaining or simply unwinding in complete tranquility. Located just moments from pristine beaches, world-class dining, and boutique shopping, this estate offers the ultimate Hamptons lifestyle. Don't miss this rare opportunity to own a piece of paradise at 115 Beach Lane. For more information or to schedule a private showing, contact us today. Please do subscribe to Trusted Homes USA for more home tours and exclusive properties in the United States. Thanks for watching and watch more videos.